Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Glamour Ellen. In this video, I'm going to decorate my entryway in Glam Tropical Vibe for summer. This is part of close collaboration with my group, the Glam Squad, and the members are myself, Glamour Ellen, N of Renter's Lab Luxury by N, and B of Elegant Designs by B. Our theme for this close collaboration, we are going to decorate in tropical vibe, and I choose the color of emerald green, gold, and black. Most item I use in this tropical vibe, I shop my home. The only thing new here is the tropelo, wall art, and the candle. Here, this is Steve's gift from his aunt, and I believe that was 20 years old. Welcome to my entryway in Glam Tropical Vibe. I hope you enjoy. Everyone, this video is also a friendly reminder of an open collaboration of Tropical Tablescape that hosted by Solly of My Style, My Color, and I'm co-hosting with this open collaboration. It will be on June 30th at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please go over, check my community tab if you want to participate.
So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer.
My wall art, I bought this one from Value City, and it was in clearance for, I believe, 80% off. This is almost $200, and I only paid $29.99. My wall scones from at home.
No mistake ever kept me late. We spent summers catching fireflies and winters on our skates. One big smile across my face. We used to dance our way to church on Sundays. Mama set the pace. Daydreamer, kidnapped me. Take me back, all the way back to them days.
I'm going to reuse this item in my tropical tablescape coming up, so stay tuned.
Daydreamer, kidnap me. Take me back, all the way back to them days. Daydreamer, kidnap me.
Here I have my peacock because I have the wall art at the top, which is my favorite peacock that I bought last year from Ross. Isn't she pretty? Everyone, please don't forget to check my friend's channel, N of Renters Lab Luxury by N, and B of Elegant Designs by B. By next month, we are going to have a series and it will be a surprise. Please don't forget to follow me and my Instagram at Glamour Ellen. Same thing with my Facebook, it is Glamour Ellen. And if you like my videos, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell twice so every time I upload new videos, you will be notified. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye everyone. Be safe.